In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import Figma components into FlutterFlow. To get started, the first thing you want to do is prepare your Figma file properly. Open your design file and make sure the elements you plan to bring into FlutterFlow are turned into reusable components. This is important because reusable components are much easier to manage and they translate more cleanly when you import them later. Taking a moment to organize your Figma file at the beginning can save you a lot of cleanup time afterward. Once your components are ready, click the Share button in Figma. From there, change the access settings so that anyone with the link can view the file and then copy the link. This step matters because FlutterFlow needs permission to read the design file. If the sharing settings are too restricted, the connection may not work properly. Next, head over to FlutterFlow and open your project. Inside your project, go to the Design System section and look for the option to import a Figma theme. Paste in the Figma link you copied earlier. After that, click Connect Figma Account and allow access when prompted. This creates the connection between FlutterFlow and Figma so the platform can read your design system and bring in the assets you need. Once that connection is set up, you can start importing components. Go to the Components tab in FlutterFlow and click the plus icon, then choose the option to import from Figma. Paste the link to the specific Figma component or frame you want to use. After pasting the link, select the item and click Import. FlutterFlow will then automatically convert that design into a FlutterFlow component. This is where the process starts to feel really efficient because instead of rebuilding the same UI manually, you can bring your designs directly into your app workflow. It helps keep your design and development process more consistent, especially if you're working with a shared design system. After the import is complete, the component will appear in your components list inside FlutterFlow. From there, you can drag and drop it anywhere in your project, just like any other component. You can also edit its styles and properties at any time, which makes it flexible enough for updates and future refinements. That's the full process. Prepare your Figma file, connect it in FlutterFlow, import your components, and then start using them in your project. If you follow these steps carefully, you'll have a much smoother workflow between design and development.